ass while I dick her through her hips. Make that lip, make that drip. Say what? Make my peso, then I get that pack and flip. My foot be like testes in the winter. Hard, you know my shit ripping like your splinter. Sharp, Topo, take your ass out with my fingers. Made a hit out, I know she a singer. Who your folk? You stay woke. Say what? Run like yoke. Grip that boat. Yo, calm down, nigga. What you talking about,
What the hell you doing?
Nigga, I ain't even start yet. You over here cutting me off, bruh. Chill. Asian, I'm my yak. Trade my raps for sex. Had to stun, no flex. Want a new bitch like next. She got the open. Want me to answer that like I'm a token. Giving my cucumber, she get a choking. Oh my god, I got my demon awoken. I don't love her, wanna fuck, sit fuck. Once again, she looking stuck. And your boyfriend not a luck. Get that much on my cup. She callin' my penis torpedo. Coming in hot, no Cheeto. I have very few amigos. They respect all my people. Whoa, hey, suck that bitch I made. Ooh, wait, smoke my pack one day. I be the skid, I hate talking. Said, if you see me, get the walking. Toss a nigga in a coffin. Love a nigga, Ricky Rossin. Little nigga think he boss. Heard that, made me cough. Whoa, hey, hit that bitch up with